Hey, this is Andrew Lim inviting you to go out on a limb. So I am in my apartment or flat or whatever you want to call it in Cyprus, in Limassol, and I just came up with an I wouldn't say ingenious, an idea of making some dishes from my upcoming cookbook, which is a collaboration with the talented chef Kimi Tang. It's called Traditions, Transitions, and Transformation. So basically it chronicles the life journey of Chef Kimi Tang from being a war refugee in Vietnam all the way to being an immigrant here in California, and then living her life and expanding her talent and career in the culinary field for decades and decades, and accumulating her experience to cooking the inspirational dishes that she does today, which are the Asian fusion dishes. So I want to make a few dishes here in Cyprus because I thought her dishes are really easy to make. The ingredients are really straightforward, although some of the ingredients you do have to get it in Asian grocery store, which fortunately, of all the places here in Limassol, there are actually quite a few Asian grocery stores, so I could actually get the ingredient. So I just want to make a few dishes for you from the traditional part of the recipe book, as well as the transitional part, and lastly, the transformational, or what you call inspirational part of the recipe book. So come go out on a limb with me. Let's roll up our sleeve and cook some dishes from Chef Kimi Tang's cookbook, which I actually co-authored, and I'm really excited to share some recipe with you. Hey folks, if you're a carnivore like me, you love chicken wings. Who doesn't? Well, maybe except for vegetarian. But do you know that coffee actually tastes really well with chicken wings? Not as in two separate things, but if you make coffee or you use coffee to marinate the chicken wings and you bake it, the result is absolutely delicioso. So I'm gonna try to do that. It actually the coffee adds a dark, nutty dimension to the chicken wings. Nutty as in like, nuts, but not like crazy. Maybe it's a crazy idea, but let's do it together. Let's make this together, and you will understand what I'm talking about because it's not too nutty after all. It's really delicious. So let's get some chicken wings going. So first, let's make the marinade. You need 2 cloves of garlic, chopped it or minced it, whatever you want to call it. Don't waste it. I do clean my countertop, so don't worry. The condensed milk, you need that, okay? So think this is like kind of like a Vietnamese coffee. So with the condensed milk, you can get it anywhere, not just Asian grocery store, even regular grocery store. In places like Cyprus has it. So just have 2 tablespoons of that. Condensed leche. Right? And then a 1/4 cup of this coffee crystal. Now for this one, I just use Nescafe. I mean, you don't need to be all bougie and use Arabica coffee beans, just regular ones, it's fine. Just use Nescafe ones, just pour it in there. And then 2 teaspoons of salt. All right. And the last 1/4 cup of water, put it in there. And then you have this amazing marinade. And usually I would recommend marinating the chicken wings. Of course, you wash the chicken wings and marinate them at least for 3 hours, but preferably overnight. So this, in a way, it's kind of like the Vietnamese coffee concept. It's thick, it's aromatic, and it will go into the washed chicken wings. So this batch of wings I've actually seasoned overnight. Like I say, minimum 3 hours, but preferably overnight. Voila. I would still give it a little stir or shake it up a bit. Make sure it's well marinated. Next, you line a baking tray with aluminum foil, but if you don't have it, one of these from the grocery stores will do as well. Next, we preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but this is Europe, so it's in Celsius, not that ignorant, and that will be around 170. So now we actually have to put the chicken wings in a skillet just to brown it on each side for about 3 minutes on each side. So you need 1 tablespoon of good old butter. Super fattening. And then next, we're gonna put in the chicken wings. You can separate it into a few batches. About 3 minutes on each side until golden on each side. So kind of golden brown like this. Now the wings are pan-seared for around 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Smells really good as well. Now they're ready to go into the oven for 25 minutes, around 25. You gauge it until it looks really crispy, then it's ready to be served. Now remember, when the wings are halfway to its baking, take it out and flip the wings over for even baking. As the chicken is baking in the oven, so prepare some bell peppers of different colors just to put it on top for aesthetic reasons, purely aesthetic. So this is optional. You don't really need to do it if you don't have bell peppers. Blunt knife, a cook's worst nightmare. Now 25 minutes is up. Let's see how our wings are doing. Ta-da! Whew. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So now what we have to do is sprinkle some of the red and yellow bell peppers that we've prepared. And voila! You have your oven-baked coffee wings. Guys, I'm really excited. So in front of me, I have the oven-baked coffee wings. So this is the coffee wings. Let's just pull it. Tasty. So remember to bring our cookbook along with you the next time you travel or if you're at home, because our recipes are really easy to make. We are on Amazon. Check us out.